Suffixes are the different endings of a word which we use to make it a noun, verb, adjective or adverb. In this quiz, we look at suffixes for adjectives and their various meanings. Read the question and try to complete the gap with the correct answer. There are 12 questions. Keep track of your score and check how well you did at the end of the quiz. Good luck. Number 1. She had beautiful childlike eyes. Number 2. He's a very successful businessman. Number 3. I dropped my phone in some water and now it's completely useless. Number 4. Those puppies are absolutely adorable. Number 5. I can't believe you made that. You're so creative. Number 6. He wants to start his own company. He's very ambitious. Number 7. The day we landed on the moon was a historic day for mankind. Number 8. The sea was a beautiful greenish blue. Number 9. I wish Jane and John weren't so quarrelsome. Number 10. I was so bored in the lecture that I fell asleep. Number 11. Mosquitoes can be so tiresome when you're trying to sleep. Finally, number 12. Your cat is very affectionate.